Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you Class 4 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We will start our lesson from Unit 4. Take care of it. SLOs of this lesson are: learn how to make compound words. Now look at here, page number 25 of your textbook. What are the compound words? A compound word is a combination of two or more words that function as a single unit of meaning. Compound word दो अल्फाज का combination है जिसका अपना अलग मतलब होता है. Now look at the examples of compound words here on page number 26 of your textbook. Snow plus man here. The snow has the different meaning and man has the different meaning. If we join together, it called the snowman, which we usually see in the winter in the snowy season. Look at the second one: raincoat, bathtub, toothbrush, bedroom. These words have the different meaning. If we separate these words, they have their own meaning, and these words, they have their own meaning, but when we join them together, it's called compound word and they convey different meaning here. Now look at here, one of the compound word has been given in the following list. Find out the suitable word and complete compound words here. We have been given the one word of each compound word. So you have to complete it. Look at the first one here, basket. Let me give you a clue. Here, this compound word belongs to sports. A game here. What will be the right word here? Yes, basketball. It's a basketball. Look at the second one. It's very easy. Somebody. Somebody. Look at the third one. Fly. It refers to an insect which fly on the flowers. Yes, butterfly here. Look at the fourth one, grand. Grandmother. Look at the fifth one, birth. Yes, it's a very easy one, birthday. Now the sixth one is very interesting. We can add three words and we have a board here. Which three words we can add here? Yes, black, white, and skate. Blackboard, skateboard, whiteboard. We can have three compound words here. Look at the seventh one, grape, fruit, grapefruit here. Look at the eighth one, cut, haircut. Look at the ninth one. Let me give you a clue. This is a thing which we put in our ear to listen to music. Yes, headphone. Look at the 10th one. Stairs, downstairs. Now look at the page number 27 of your textbook. Which of the following is an example of compound word here? Milky milk, cow, milkshake or milk goat? Yes, it's very clear here, milkshake. Look at the fifth one. Make a compound word using berry. Appleberry, strawberry, banana, or pineapple here. Yes, strawberry. Look at the sixth one. Make a compound word using sun. Sun gun, sun rays, sun moon, or sundown. Yes, sun rays is the right option. This is your homework from summer pack, page number 27. This is also your homework for summer pack. And this is your homework from unit 4. Find out all the compound words from the text. Read the unit 4 and find all the compound words you can find and write it in your notebook. Thank you.